Hello and welcome to Sierra Make. Today we are going to make a Genshin Impact Commissions headband. All you need is some double-sided tape, some printed out commission icons, scissors, lamination paper, a headband, and a zip tie. First off, I just printed out those Genshin Impact little purple commission icons from the internet, one for each side. Cut those out and then put them inside my lamination paper, and then I'm just going to laminate those so that they're nice and sturdy and the weather doesn't really affect them or anything. Next, we're going to grab our headband and zip tie and just tighten that zip tie around the headband. Once you get close to super tight, make sure it's nice and in the center of the headband before you tighten it all the way. Now we're going to cut it to the height we want it to be and place that double-sided tape onto the top of it. Place our laminated commission signs on top of that. And once I had the front and the back on, I went ahead and just cut that laminate a little bit closer. And voila, that's it. This is a great idea if you need a super fast cosplay for a con that's right around the corner, which is what I used it for. I also embroidered some little primo gems that I handed out if people were willing to do a commission for me. And here are some pictures of the event. I hope you like this quick little cosplay idea, and thank you for watching.